Hello everyone, this is John Albert Diko of CIC, a Creative Innovation Center located in 043 Rhino Kamrifi Settlement. In front of you, I have a project here, which is a phone, and beside here, I have my LCD, which I used for the display. And again, here I also have my what? My audio amplifier, since the output that I get from my SIM 800L is small. I boosted it with my audio amplifier. Again here, I have my Arduino, which I used for storing my program from the computer. And again, I have my buttons here that I use for what? For calling, which is the what? The green one. For ending the call is the red one, and there's also that small one that I use for what? For calling someone back. And I have my 5 volts here, which is 4 volts, and since my 800 SIM 800 uses a bit bigger current, so I'm using 2 amps, which it's used for supplying this circuit. And I also have my mic here, which I'll be using it for communication. And again, I'm going to show you how I've programmed my program. Here, I have my functions. The first, I have my pins that I've programmed in the Arduino board. The pin I used are 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. So my first pin is 8, which I'll be using for what? For calling. And when you look at my program, I have pin 8, which I'll be using for what? For calling. And again, pin 9, I'm using for what? For ending the call. Pin 10, I use the pin 10 to call back. And pin 11 is for ringing, for you to know that someone is calling you back. And I also used pin 12 to indicate that someone is calling back or someone is calling you. So that is how I've programmed my stuff here, my program, and I'm going to show you how this phone works. As you can see in the display, it is written CIC office phone. I'm going to show you how this CIC office phone works. I have my phone, which I'm going to use for to call my office phone. As you can see here, the number is, I've saved it as CIC office phone. So I'm going to call this number. I'm going to call this number. As you can see, it's calling. So this is my mic that I'm going to use for communicating. This is my mic. So you can see, this is my speaker that I'm going to know that someone is calling me. This is my speaker, as you can hear, it is ringing. So I'm going to give the phone to someone. So we are going to communicate. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to pick the call. I'm going to use my green button.
Yes.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes, how are you?
Am I talking to CIC office manager?
Yes, you're talking to John Albert Diko, the manager of CIC.
Okay. That's the rightful person I would like to talk to.
Sorry?
That's the rightful person I would like to talk to?
Yes, I'm the rightful person you wanted to talk to.
Okay, thank you. I'm happy to have designed the project.
Yes.
So I would like you to come and also to my office.
Yes.
Yes, that is what I am inquiring.
Thank you.
Are you able to do so?
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Okay. So that is basically how my phone works. And again, if I wanted to call back, I'm going to use this button of mine for calling back. Yes, I'm also calling the number back. I'm calling the number back. So, as you can see, Albert is calling back. Let me call again. As if network is disturbing, let me call again. It's still calling. Yes, it's now going through. You can hear from the speaker I'm calling that person back. I'm still waiting for when he's going to receive.
Hello?
Yes, please.
Am I talking to Albert?
Yes, you're talking to John Albert.
Okay, thank you. Tell me.
You're okay, you're welcome. That is basically how my phone works. And my message here to the people out there is that if there is any support, in case there is anyone who wants us to support these ideas or the innovations that we have, whether being material, technical, in any way, the support is most welcome. And CIC has inspired me in so many ways. Like I can say, when I used to be in senior 2, that's when I joined the CIC, and I faced a lot of challenges when it comes to physics. But right now, I have the whole heart of doing physics because I've seen so many things that that CIC has done. So that thing has made me to pick interest to do physics. As I talk right now, I'm in senior 4 class, and I'm willing to do the best in physics to make me progress in my career. So my message out to those ones who are idle, they don't know what to do, is that let them be creative, as CIC has come on ground to invest our knowledge to the people who are idle. Thank you so much for listening to me. I remain John Albert Diko.